Hi, I'm Olcan. I'm hardware developer at MatchX. Today I'm going to show you what to use our LPWAN Dev Kit and Core Module 4. This is the Dev Kit or Development Kit. It is used for developing custom applications that use LoRa to send sensor data. You can use the Dev Kit as a final product for your application with the sensors already on it. Or you can use it to prototype your application and later put all the sensors that you need for your application and use your own circuit design. Using the MatchX Dev Kit will enable you to quickly prototype LoRaWAN sensors. As LoRa protocol is not suitable for transmitting large amount of data, MatchX combined it with Bluetooth Low Energy. This offers a quick, robust and remote way of updating your software. It is a perfect method in cases where a sensor is inaccessible, such as places like a basement, a secure box, or behind a wall. Now, how can we use this LPWAN Dev Kit for our product? Let's assume you want to measure the moisture of your plant. You need a moisture sensor, which you need to connect to your LPWAN Dev Kit. After developing the code, you need to put your moisture sensor in your soil in the plant. Let's also power the Dev Kit. And now you're getting the moisture data out from the sensor and you're sending it to your cloud through LoRa with the LoRa gateway. This will easily allow you to monitor your measurement data from the MatchX cloud. What if you have more than one plant? What if you have a farm that you need to get the moisture data out from? Then you would need a core module together with the moisture sensor, because then you won't need the extra capabilities of the LED or the GPS or the temperature sensor that we have on the Dev Kit. What you need to do is to get a core module and design your own circuit with the moisture sensor and plant it all in your farms that you want to measure the moisture from. To discover more about our products, go to matchx.io. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos. See ya!